Unboxing this all-in-one chopper and mandolin slicer was an absolute pleasure. As you can see, it's an 8-in-1 with all different types of blades to chop, slice, cut, dice, mince, and pretty much everything. This is from Fullstar Kitchen on Amazon. And why I love this is because it's efficient, it's time saving in the kitchen. You can use it to cut or prep your food, so you spend less time in the kitchen preparing your vegetables. It also has durable and long-lasting blades. It's space-saving design or compact tools that fits perfectly in any kitchen, so you can all pack it up and put it away safely. So it's user-friendly, it's very easy to use, easy to clean, perfect for all skill levels. So if you're a beginner in the kitchen or if you are an expert in the kitchen, it is a very powerful and sharp tool. It comes with 2 lids, and this one is the second lid. The first lid was the chopper with the medium dicer. So if you want to chop like onions or tomatoes or pineapples, then you'd use the first lid with a medium dicer. Or if you want to mince like fine garlic or anything like that, then you'd use the finer blade. Now these are the different types of blades that it comes with. You have the julienne, you have the slicer for cucumbers, you have the wavy slicer, you have the coarse grater, the grater itself, and the zester. This is used if you want to slice your cucumbers. So you would stick your cucumber in that circular area where you see those pointed stuff, and then you would slide it down on the mandolin lid. This is the other section of the chopper, the blade, and they give us a toothbrush to clean the blade. The blades are really sharp, so you don't want to touch it with your finger. You want to use that brush, keep your fingers on the edge, and just brush the blade with the brush that is given to you. This is the container that holds the 2 lids, and that is where your chopped or diced fruits or vegetable will be contained. I love an instruction manual, and I love the fact that they do provide you step by step how to put together your chopper. So just to show you how I go about exchanging my blades, there is a lever that allows you to open and close the lid so you can remove the blade that you want to use. There you go. Don't go ahead and put your finger on it. Remain on the edge with your fingers, and once you put it in, ensure to lock it so that it doesn't fall out and you accidentally use your fingers to grab it. Compared to the others that I've seen, this is a very strong and sturdy chopper. It is very versatile, and I definitely recommend it. They have different variations like the 4-in-1 or the 6-in-1. This one is the 8-in-1.